AI is no longer just assisting developers, it's accelerating them. Let's break down how. Code completion and suggestions. As developers type, AI predicts the next line of code, like autocomplete, but smarter. Boilerplate code generation. Need repetitive or foundational code, done in seconds. Code from prompts. Describe what you want in plain language, and AI generates the function or class for you. Optimization and refactoring. AI identifies inefficiencies, flags vulnerabilities, and suggests improvements. Code translation. Need to convert Python to JavaScript? AI handles that too, preserving logic and structure. With these capabilities, we unlock 3 major benefits, and I'll walk you through each with real-world examples. Increased productivity. AI automates routine tasks, freeing developers to focus on solving real business problems. For example, a developer needs to set up a REST API. Instead of writing the CRUD logic manually, which could take 20-30 minutes, tools like GitHub Copilot generate the entire scaffold in seconds. Faster development. AI accelerates the journey from idea to implementation. For example, a startup wants to prototype a chatbot. Instead of building it from scratch, they use ChatGPT to generate the core functionalities in minutes, integrating with APIs like OpenAI. Improved code quality. AI enforces consistent coding patterns, flags potential errors, and suggests performance improvements. For example, a developer writes a function with a potential security flaw. AI tools immediately detect the issue and recommend a safer alternative, preventing vulnerabilities before they reach production. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. AI isn't just transforming how code is written, it's reshaping who can write it. As you can see in this diagram, we're entering a new era where a spectrum of tools is available to empower everyone. Let's walk through the 4 quadrants. Starting at the top left, we have zero-code platforms. These tools let anyone build full applications using natural language or drag and drop. No coding required. Moving down to the bottom left, we enter the space of design-to-code tools. These platforms convert sketches or UI designs into working components, perfect for designers and product teams. Now to the bottom right, where we find AI coding assistants. These tools support professional developers with real-time suggestions, debugging, and code optimization. Finally, at the top right, we have AI-powered development platforms. These solutions enable full-stack development autonomously, including planning, coding, testing, and deploying. So whether you're a designer, a product manager, or an engineer, AI is expanding your capabilities. Before we move on, a quick note. In the full Udemy course, you can unlock the list of example tools that sit behind each quadrant. If you'd like access, check the description below for the link. Let's now see how this works in practice. Now, I will show you how to write code using one of the AI coding assistant tool. It acts like a smart pair programmer. As you type, it suggests code snippets, functions, and even entire method. Here are a few examples. Writing code snippets. To create a function to calculate the average of an array of numbers, start typing #calculateAverage of array, and Copilot will instantly suggest a complete function. Providing suggestions. To implement a loop to iterate over a list, type #for each item in list, and it will offers a loop structure, ready to use. Refactoring code. If you write a basic loop to append items, the tool may suggest a cleaner list comprehension. Debugging. Encounter an error? Just type #check if array contains element, and the tool will propose a function to trace. It's fast, intuitive, and context-aware. And the more you use it, the better it understands your coding style and preferences. Let's now look at how AI can go even further by generating the entire application. Imagine you want to rebuild a website, But instead of writing code, you just describe what you want. That's exactly what AI tools can enable. Here's how a zero-code app builder works. First, start a new project. Just type a prompt in plain language, something like rebuild a modern website for a local bakery. That's all it takes to get started. Next, generate the code. The tool instantly creates the layout, structure, and styling based on your description. No manual coding required. Then, preview and refine. You can review the generated site, make adjustments using follow-up prompts, or tweak the design. And finally, go live. Once you're happy with the result, you can publish the site directly or export the code for further customization. This is AI turning ideas into production-ready websites. Fast, flexible, and accessible to everyone. Before we move on, let's pause for a quick reflection. If AI could take care of 60 to 70% of the repetitive coding work, how much more could your developers focus on architecture, logic, and innovation? AI isn't here to replace developers, but it's increasingly taking on the heavy lifting, handling routine tasks with speed, consistency, and precision. That frees up your teams to focus on what truly matters. And once the code is written, the next challenge is keeping it clean, secure, and bug-free. Next, let's take a look at how AI is transforming one of the most time-consuming and often the frustrating parts of development: debugging.